You meal prep, you cook at home, you never eat out during the week, and yet you're still broke. I'm going to tell you exactly why, and it's not what you think. The cook at home advice assumes that cooking at home is automatically efficient. It's not. The way most people cook at home includes hidden costs that rival or exceed eating out. Hidden cost number one: gas and electricity. A full meal cooked twice a day on a gas stove costs approximately $3,000 to $150 a day in gas. Keems $3,000 for more gas per week. I hope you're enjoying this story. Hidden cost number two: ingredient waste. You buy a bunch of dahania for knibya, $20 per U. You use 1 tablespoon. The rest rots. This happens across 8 to 12 ingredients per week. Cumulative waste, knibya 800 to 500 month. Hidden cost number three: the I deserve a treat trap. You cook at home all week. Saturday feels like a reward day. You eat out, but you also buy wine, dessert, and an Uber home because you saved all week. Total Saturday spend: Kshay 4,000, erases 5 days of savings. Hidden cost number four: over purchasing healthy food. Specialty items, organic produce, and clean eating ingredients carry a 40 to 80% premium over standard options, without proportional health benefit. The reveal: cooking at home is one of the most powerful financial tools, but only if done with intentionality. A simple, cheap, nutritious weekly meal plan with zero waste cooking beats a complicated healthy meal prep by a factor of 3. This week, calculate your real home cooking cost, including gas, waste, and Saturday rewards. Tell me your actual number in the comments. The premise directly contradicts the audience's self-image as responsible people who cook. This cognitive dissonance keeps people watching to find out how they might be doing it wrong. Like, comment, follow, share, and subscribe, not forgetting to hit the notification bell for more videos.